Here's how to change your location in Roblox. First of all, launch your web browser, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Make sure that you log into your Roblox account using a web browser. You cannot change your location in the mobile application. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and access your settings. Then go to the account info tab and then scroll down, and there you'll get the option of account location. Roblox automatically sets this based on your IP address. If the country is locked, you'll need to use a VPN set to the country you want. Make sure that your VPN connection is stable, refresh the page, and reopen your account. So go ahead, select VPN, and connect it to the country that you want to set your Roblox account to. And you'll be automatically logged out from your specific Roblox account, and you'll be taken to the Roblox login page. Go ahead, select login from the top right corner and enter your correct username and your password for the account and tap on login. And then reopen your account settings, and when the new country appears, confirm the change and save your settings. Remember that changing your country may affect in-game prices, currency, and payment methods. And after saving, log out and log back in to ensure the changes take effect. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.